Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about education for global peace under the subject of sociological basis of education. Meaning of global peace. Global peace is an idea of planetary non-violence by which nation of the world willing by cooperate either voluntarily or by virtue of a system of governance that prevent warfare. It means global peace is an idea of freedom, peace, and happiness among everyone. It is an idea of world without violence, where nations of the world try to work with each other. According to Ferrer, peace education is a mechanism for the transformation from a culture of violence to a culture of peace through a process of conscientization. It means peace education inculcates higher order human values among the individuals so that they can maintain and sustain global peace. Next is need and importance of global peace. So first one is importance for life. Peace is important in our life to have a true happiness. Peace is the product of a positive mental attitude, while violence is the result of negative thinking. So, peace is essential to all our overall well being. Importance for society is when peaceful conditions prevail in a society, all activities take place in their proper form. But if the atmosphere of peace is disturbed, the normal functioning of society is disrupted. Importance for the world. Global peace is a necessary condition for the survival and development of mankind. A world deprived of peace and harmony certainly will fall apart and return to the jungle era in which the strong prey on the weak. Importance for global economy. War and violence extract huge cost from the global economy. Redirecting a more than 10% of the global economic impact of violence would be enough to address many of the most fundamental challenges of our time. Now we will proceed for next education and its role in global peace. So first one is aims and objective of education for global peace. Here are some aims and objective. So first one is to develop sense of universal values in every individual, to strengthen peace, friendship and solidarity between individual and people, to develop the ability of non-violent conflict resolution, to teach the citizen to respect the culture heritage, protect the environment and social harmony. Next is curriculum, curricular development of education for global peace. So first is integration of global peace education in the education for the global peace. So first one is education system is subject content. In the subject content, peace education can be introduced into classroom as a program in itself. For example, in science subject, environmental protection, environmental sustainability, ethics of scientific research, nuclear war, effect and pollution control are some of the topics that can be included. So these type of subject can be used to infuse peace. Next is subject perspective. While teaching a subject in the class, a teacher have to interpret its topic in such a way so as to contribute to learners' social, emotional, intellectual and moral self-development piece. Next is teaching method. In the process of integrating peace education, how to teach is more important than what to teach. So some of the specific teaching methods given below may be more useful and effective, like cooperative learning, group discussion, peer teaching, storytelling, experimental teaching, role play, brainstorming, dialogue and inquiry based learning and teaching. Curricular and co-curricular activities. Curricular activities are the subject specified and content specified. Learning of the science, math, social studies and social sciences are example of the curricular activities. It includes also the practical and extension reading related to the special subjects content. Classroom and school management. Management is the highest form of cognitive skill. which need to be developed among students and teachers. Through good management of the activities related to peace subject, student can be made aware of its different issues. Staff development. Among the important component of the teaching learning process, teacher play paramount role in enhancing the learning outcome of the students. So, staff development is most warranted. Teacher role in global peace. So, the teacher are the role models for the students. A role model is a person who inspires and encourages us to strive the greatness, live to our fullest potential, and see the best in ourselves. So, teachers should guide their student to adopt peaceful ways to solve their problems and to live with their peers cooperatively. Thank you so much.